In the morning, the National Weather Service.
11 p.m. or midnight Eastern Daylight on Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Bureau, Ford, Grundy, Iroquois, Kankakee, LaSalle, Livingston, Marshall, McLean, and Woodford, and the following counties in Indiana.
And the following counties in Indiana: Benton, Jasper, and Newton. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area.
Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.